Assalamu alaikum. Might have, could have, may have, these are called past modal verbs. Apart from that, these are other past modal verbs. But in this video, I am going to talk about only these three modal verbs. Modal verbs are a little tricky to learn. In this video, I will give you kind of basics for using those past modal verbs, and I will try to give you some really good example sentences so you can see how they are used. Now let us take a look at the sentence structure and how do we form a sentence with past modal verbs. So first, the subject is going to come. Subjects are I, we, he, she, it, they, name. Then modal verb could, may, might, as this sentence are with modal verbs. After modal verb, we use have. Whether subject is singular or plural, we use have with both. We can't use has, it is incorrect. So never use has with modal verbs. And after that, we use past participle. It means third form of verb and then object. This is how we form a sentence with modal verb. And in the negative sentence, we add not after modal verb. For example, they might, could not have gone to the store. The three models talk about uncertain possibilities in the past. When you are not sure whether something happened, all three expressions can show possibility in the past and often mean the same thing. To guess about an unknown past action based on our understanding. We didn't see it with our own eyes, we are not witness. There's no certainty, it just guess. So they can be used interchangeably. So we use these three freely without confusion, but they have a little difference in situation. I will tell you later. If I talk about their pronunciation, native speakers normally say might of, could of, may of. Now let's talk about uh, different difference between them. For example, if you had any opportunity to do something in the past but you uh, didn't do so, in this case you can only use could have. You can't replace it with may have or might have in this meaning. For example, he could have won the game if he had tried hard. And if we say something. So that's all about this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.